Okay, guys, for the next problem for today, we're gonna do a balance a binary tree, and basically, we're gonna have to create a DFS function. So, like this, then it's gonna take in the root. Then, if the root is not valid, we want to return two things. One that is true because it's a balanced binary tree, and a zero because the length of it is gonna be zero. Then we want to get the left and the right child. So we do DFS of root dot left and DFS of root dot right, like that. Then we need a variable to determine whether or not it's balanced, and we know if it's balanced if the left child returns true and the right child returns true, and also if the absolute value of the left minus the right, so the length the length of the left child and the right child, if those are when you compute them, it's less than or equal to 1. That's how we know. Then we can just return one, that our tree is balanced, and two, the max of the left height. Sorry, not the left or the right. Which which one is the the longest? Then after this, we can just return the DFS of our root, or we just call that function, and we got to make sure it's true, like that. Yeah, yeah. The more I do like binary trees, I feel like the more is easier to understand. So binary trees are really fun for me, and I really like